Pedrogosa. Oh, nice left hand, and then the right, connected by Pedrogosa. And once more, relentless in his a little over the limit of the flyweight division ng 112. At si Jerome Guyan naman tumimbang ng 110.6, so under the limit. Mas patanda po si Guyan, 27 years old, at si Pedrogosa po teenager. Guyan is the boy with the bleached hair. Oh, magandang palitan ito sa umpisa. Pedrogosa connecting with a nice left. Wobbled Guyan a little bit. Some hard shots being exchanged by both these fighters. Flicking that left jab, si Pedrogosa, a little more active so far. As we start this 4-rounder, pareho po silang first-timers. Late bloomer po ito si Guyan, making his first appearance as a professional at the ripe age of 27 years old. Both fighters are orthodox fighters. Third man in the ring, si Alfie Hocosol. Dinig na dinig po natin ang kanyang mga instructions. Again, hard exchanges, nice right hand coming from Pedrogosa as he pushes Guyan along the ropes. Guyan now reversing the situation. Yan na naman. Nauuna si Pedrogosa. And again, some hard shots being thrown here by Pedrogosa, both upstairs and downstairs. Agresibo naman ito si Guyan. He's a shorter fighter. Pedrogosa with a reach advantage. Combination punching coming from Pedrogosa. Inuuna niya ang kanyang left jab and then followed by the right straight. Again, nasa kanto po si Guyan. That's exactly where Pedrogosa wants his opponent. Along the ropes into a corner. Yun na naman. Tinamaan na naman ni Pedrogosa si Guyan. But Guyan coming right back. Crowd appears to be favoring Guyan. He's a shorter fighter. Underdog siya. And the crowd always loves the underdog. Now, underway. We are scheduled for 4. Again, nasa gitna sila ng ring. Nice connection there by Guyan. Needs to be able to gain some ground dito because in our unofficial scorecards, mukhang Pedrogosa won that first round. We are now showing some signs of aggressiveness as he comes charging in, throwing that wild right. Pedrogosa has to be a little more poised. And there he is again once more on the attack, hitting Guyan into a corner. Again, palaging nauna yung left jab ni Pedrogosa. Very disciplined fighter in terms of throwing that left jab and then following it up with a nice right. Again, sunod-sunod ng mga suntok galing kay Pedrogosa. And once more, Guyan on the defensive. Hyperactive po ito si Pedrogosa. That time, a left hand coming from Guyan. Missing with an uppercut was Guyan, but he's back along the ropes. Guyan missing with that left. Pedrogosa continuing to stalk his opponent, sizing him up. Missing with the 1-2 combination si Pedrogosa as Guyan taking a step back. Once more on the attack si Guyan. Pedrogosa might have slowed down a little bit dito sa ating last minute of the second round. Overhand right scored by Guyan. And again, that left jab ni Pedrogosa. Oh, nice left hand, and then the right, connected by Pedrogosa. And once more, relentless in his hack, Pedrogosa, putting Guyan back in his heels. Nice combination galing kay Pedrogosa. Once more, nandun naman sa kanto, si Guyan. He's an easy target pag nandun siya sa may bandang kanto. And once more, Pedrogosa, pounding the side of the body ni Guyan. Third man in the ring, si Alfio Hocosol, looking very closely at both these fighters. Pushing him to the corners, pushing him along the ropes. And clearly, big advantage para kay Pedrogosa in terms of his length at saka yung kanyang height. Ito sabi ni referee Hocosol, oh, nakakalimutan yatang tanggalin yung upuan dun sa may bandang ring apron. Okay, tuloy-tuloy na ang laban natin. We are in round number 3. Pedrogosa versus Guyan. So far, it's been practically all Pedrogosa up. Again, on the receiving end, si Guyan. Guyan trying to fight back. Wild haymakers being thrown by Guyan. Hindi naman tumatama. Ayan na naman si Pedrogosa. He's all up. The overhand right ni Guyan, and he throws again a wild right. Left straight coming from Guyan, and then that right hand. The big right hand ni Guyan. Combination na naman galing kay Pedrogosa. Inuunahan niya si Guyan. Guyan wants to be a little more aggressive. Napapansin natin dito sa round number 3, but Pedrogosa is not giving him the opportunity to take the initiative. Ito naman yung overhand right ni Guyan. Yan ang tinatapon niya rito. More often than not, hindi tumatama. But once it connects, nararamdaman niya ni Pedrogosa, Guyan's got some power behind that overhand right. Ito, hinedlock tuloy ni Pedrogosa si Guyan. A bruise now, very evident on the right cheek ni Guyan. And that cheek is showing some signs of swelling. Once more, Pedrogosa on the attack. A lot of clinching, and referee Hocosol says, break, guys. Huwag muna kayong mag-akapan. Exchanging left jabs, both these fighters. And look at Pedrogosa. Ang gulo nitong Pedrogosa na to. Ini-headlock niya si Guyan, tapos sinusuntok pa niya. And here we go once more. But the sound of the 10-second clapper. O meron pang hook shot si Guyan. Hindi naman tumama. It's going to be the end of the round. A knockdown, and takes this round 10-8. Masyado nang malaki yung advantage ni Pedrogosa from the first 3 rounds. Ito na po. Final round. Guyan Pedrogosa in the flyweight division. Both fighters making their first appearance as a pro. Ito, 1-2-3 combination again thrown by Pedrogosa. Guyan is looking to land that one big punch, that right hand. Ito na naman. Pedrogosa might want to use that uppercut. Guyan is coming in with his head bent down. He's a perfect target for an uppercut. Pedragosa. Ito, inaabangan niya si Guyan. Pagpasok ni Guyan, Pedragosa is locked and ready to fire away. Maganda rin ang timing ni Pedragosa. Both fighters now leaning on each other, trying to catch their breath. Shot to the body there by Pedragosa. And you can see the signs of battle on the face of Guyan. Markadong-markado na ang kanyang mukha. Both cheeks now are showing signs of bruises as Pedragosa continues to pummel away. At Guyan again, throwing that wild right hand, hoping to land a big shot to put Pedragosa away, but I don't think that's going to happen. Guyan's mouth is open. You know that he's running out of breath, taking a lot of punishment now. Pedragosa continues to pound away at the side of the body ni Guyan. Nakababa na yung dalawang kamay ni Guyan, and then he raises both arms again. He's not fighting back. And Pedragosa is all over him. One big shot here from Pedragosa, and I think Guyan's going to go down. 30 seconds left. Guyan, badly battered, taking a lot of punishment. Ito, hindi na sumusuntok halos si Guyan. And Pedragosa continues to wail away at his opponent. 10-second clapper again. Big connection with the left hand. And then more right hands to the body by Pedragosa. Oh, nice shot.